guys, let's just unpack again Linda Baga Owami. Manje, there was a video going around footy. They are still like, please, we can't give you any money. But it's like, I think Amanyama Ninjas did help her out, right? I haven't changed as such how I feel in Ndaba yakhe. I am supporting her because also I don't know the dynamics. But my thing is that bas manje sebemshintshele even namavenda kubo bayibeka kanjalo. So my thing is that remember when she explained the story what uye wa nganaga ukuthi bathathe izinto ebhuthini wa discover masefika endlini, but she never said anything about the breaking in or ibhuthi being forcefully opened. You understand that? My thing. She says that 3-4 days later. I'm just like, something is fishy there because you keep on adding. Tell one story. Yeah, you wanna learn thing you show you one time because she told the story, but she never told it. She was like, I'm mang ibhuthi azikho izinto zami. But ayikho into ebonisa ukuthi kade the boot was forcefully opened. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. So I'm just like, what's going on there? Uyibona leyo nto. But guys, you know, like I'm saying, at times abanye abantu just leave them to be how they understand their story. But I just picked that one up. I was like, guy, ngeke utshela later leyo nto leyo. So kuthiwa abantu bamjikele, even nabantu bakubo kuthiwa they were like, when what abantu ba broke, right? But you want help from the broke people. How is that going to work? What abantu ba useless in I but naye usitase nonsense the stuff that you said before. So it becomes a lot, you know. Mese kuba uTracy Hlophe ne. uTracy Hlophe likes defending indoda yakhe uFelix, kanti uFelix ufamily and it's fine for her, but you don't come live ulokumdefendela. And I normally don't want to say much about uFelix ngoba udadewabo omdala ngangifunda naye. So it's a problem. Sometimes it's just like these are almost your family members. It's just my friend who knows it. So at times it's a bit hard. But ubhuti guys now is all over the place ngale into yakhe ukuba sifebe. So uyabona ukuthi manje and ngapha uTracy njalo uhlala imdefendela guys. Someone was even saying last week kodwa ufuna noFelix ngempela ngoba uTracy wamnika ingane ezinhle. He must just stop this thing. Guys, labantu laba bakanje badalwe kanjalo. This is why someone was even saying ukuthi babafana. This is why befana. Things like that, guys. You know, it's a lot.